The Michael Berry Show.
We've got to figure out the items that cause the stinkiest burps. I have offered that radishes were the subject du jour today. I have suggested that the radish conversation, that the radish burp that my friend Jerry McGill unleashed on me led to us having a long, serious, and may I say fruitful conversation about burps and what causes them, which ones are the worst. I will tell you, I will read through some of the things, and this might spur some conversation. A good gyro was one that came up a lot. Cabbage, Costco Polish dogs from the food court. Several people said Costco Polish dogs. Panda Express, it's like a 9-hour meal. Frito pie, Jimmy Dean sausage patties, brats, Italian sausage and beer. I wonder if beer activates these things because a lot of them included beer. Funyuns and cherry Pepsi. You know something else? I wonder if the element in cherry drinks, cherry Coke and cherry Pepsi came up several times. I didn't even know there was a cherry Pepsi. Pork cracklings, chicharrones, that came up a lot. Kimchi, that came up one. Kombucha came up a few times. Tuna salad sandwich with pickles. Oh, gosh. Salmon, anything garlic, Tex-Mex, Perrier water. These are people who added. Bologna came up a bunch of times. Yeah, bologna burp's bad. It's bad to smell and it's bad to taste. Deviled eggs with a skull dip afterwards. Ha! Ruchi's chorizo taco, roast, ranch corn nuts, red onions, hot salsa, sardines. One dude says, call my daughter. She was once the champion of belching. Here's her name and her phone number. He posted that. Taco Cabana steak fajitas, nacho cheese dip Doritos burp. I got several Cool Ranch Doritos as suggestions. Sauerkraut, radishes, Costco dog, boiled eggs, hummus, roasted garlic, boudin, etouffee, Fritos, a fresh dip, Copenhagen. Several people talked about their dip causing them to burp. Do you have that problem? Oh, I'm sorry. You don't dip. I'm sorry. Never mind. Vietnamese food, Cajun food, cucumbers, durian, which is a Southeast Asian fruit known as the king of fruit, grapefruit juice and Fritos together, crawfish and beer, deviled eggs, saag paneer with garlic naan, summer sausage, bologna, onions, soul food, Nathan's hot dogs, beef. It's what's for dinner all week long. Polish sausage and sardines, kielbasa, jalapeno peppers and beer, cucumbers, hot wings, spicy sausage. Not a lot of shows could do this, Ramon. Not a lot of shows could. Garlic, cucumbers, pulled pork, radish and beer, deadly. Broccoli, tripe tacos, cabbage rolls, Romanian sausage, bologna, Funyuns, root beer, cucumbers. Cucumbers keeps coming up. Huh. Oh, here's the one that got me and Jerry. I was reading them in real time. Somebody said, do omega-3 fish oil capsules count? You ever taken a fish oil capsule? Go take a fish oil capsule tomorrow for the sole purpose of burping afterwards. It will be the most awful burp you will ever experience in your life. The turnip, corn nuts. The fact that anytime you smell one, you are breathing air that was just expelled from someone's digestive tract always amuses me. Funyuns, gumbo, popcorn. Oh, popcorn came up a bunch of times too. Sesame chicken and cherry Coke. See how many times cherry drinks come up a lot? Any type of Muslim food. Okay. Taco Bell, summer sausage, taco, hog head cheese on rich crackers, kimchi, red onions, McRib, a Whopper, baby back ribs, flaming hot Funyuns, good Frito pie. Mike, what you got?
Man, I tripped to San Antonio, Slim Jims, and one of those monster drinks.
Beef jerky came up a bunch of times. Brad, go.
My wife's green bean casserole.
All right. Doug, go.
Hey, definitely Funyuns, corn nuts, but it's exacerbated by anything you drink, like beer especially.
Yeah, it's kind of an activator. Brent, go.
Anything that's got sulfur in it, especially anything that's got proteins that are built on sulfur.
How am I supposed to do? What?
Brussels sprouts and cabbage.
Yes. Jim, go.
Pickled eggs and beer.
Ha! Ugh. Ugh, I don't do pickled eggs even the first time around. Maven, go.
Bacon bits, like the little crispy fake ones.
Who makes those? Is that Tex
Hormel,
Joy?
maybe?
Does Tex Joy make a bacon bit? Ramon.
No.
I think Tex Joy makes a bacon bit. You ever eat Tex Joy?
Oh, yeah.
Where do you live?
Oh, I'm from Beaumont area, but I
Oh.
live in Spring now.
Oh, I think Tex Joy's from Beaumont.
Exactly.
I think Tex Joy made bacon bits. I'm going to check on that. Larry, go.
Black bear.
What is that?
Black bear?
Like the meat?
The animal?
Oh, I never eaten
Yeah.
black bear. I don't like the thought of eating bear. That's just not appealing to me. Lou in Baton Rouge.
Peanuts and Coca-Cola.
That's George Jones. Greg.
Green onions dipped in French onion dip and a beer.
And chives. Guy has some chives in there.
MichaelBerry.com.